Hey, Maddie.
Hey,
What you doing?
eating.
Where is you eating?
Garage.
That's fabulous.
I know.
Yeah. So. So how was your day?
Good. How was your day?
It was awesome. You know, like this kid in PE, he was all like, and then when we was running, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So, is that rice good?
I don't know yet.
Oh, well, when did you start eating it?
About like 10 minutes ago.
Oh, well,
But I haven't tried it yet.
oh, well, I think you should try it now.
Okay. Crap!
Well, do you want a fork?